Let me show you how to make something more satisfying than poverty with just pantry staples. Zero cooking skills. In your favorite class, combine 15 grams of crystal clear jelly powder with a heaping teaspoon of fragrant brown sugar. Pour in 100 ml of boiling water and watch the magic happen as it transforms into a glossy caramel liquid with just a few stays. After 2 hours in the fridge, you will find a perfectly set gelatin jelly with the irresistible wobbly. Break it into delicate pieces with your spoon. Notice how it shatters cleanly yet holds its shape. Now the crowning touch, pour over ice cold milk and watch as it cascades through the jelly cubes. That fast spoonful delivers pure harmony. The deep molasses notes of the jelly playing against the fresh, creamy milk when the afternoon slam hits or summer temperatures soar. This will become your secret weapon. No artificial flavors, no excessive sugar, just honest ingredients transformed into something extraordinary.